This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, good morning. Guys, we are discussing about the Java 8 features. So the Java 8 features. What is Java 8 features? This is the video number how much? Class 6. Yeah. But the first class we complete lambda expression. Second class for each method. Filter method with string and integer data. Filtering string and int. Filtering employee object. This is a map method with the map method with string and integer data. Because today is a class sixth, so if you go for the sixth class, map method with object data. Map method with what, object. Which object, EMP object. Let me work with EMP object. Get the point, right? Yes. So you complete the 6 videos, write the notes for that all the videos. Very good. Previous video, map method is used to apply the operation on what, every element in a sequence. Map method is used to apply what? Operation on every element in a sequence. First element, second element, third element, all elements in a sequence, the operation will be performed, right? Yeah, last class I think we done this example, right? You check the video once. And now this video, we'll go for the employee data, guys. Employee data. Yes, can please create a new project. New, I want to take the Java project. So map object data. Project name is what, map object data project name. Guys, here we need to go for the first of all new, I want to take the class. That's the class name is what, EMP class. The package name is com.tcs.map example, something like this. Let's click on what to finish. You can see how many ways you can initialize the data. Tell me total 2 ways. What are the 2 ways? Tell me. Int employee ID, int employee ID. Next one is what? String employee name and double employee salary. Double employee salary, right? ID, name, salary. That's one thing. Guys, here let me write the constructor. Constructor to initialize the specific values or all the values, constructor. Generate the constructor using field. So constructor means optional dependencies, mandatory dependencies, mandatory dependencies. So constructor expected 3 arguments, mandatory we need to assign the 3 values. I told you clearly, constructor is initializing all the values means toString returns all the values. That's what you can make the source generate what, toString. Initialize the data using constructor all the values, then toString get the values. ToString is representing all the values, right? When the toString executed when you print the reference variable. When you print what? Object name, right? Exactly. Because here we write the setters and getters. Actually, in real time, we will write the constructor, we will write the setters and getters. Depends on the application you like. We will call the setters and we will call the variables actually. So no, that's what right click and source generate setters and getters also, right? Select all the properties, click on generate. When I want a constructor, I can use constructor. When I want setters, I can use setters and getters also, right? Yes or no? So your example should contain what, your data should contains what? Constructor, toString method, setters and what, getters. Exactly. Because let me take the example now. So new, I want to take the class. So this is like map method example. Map method example. Click on what, main method. Click on what, finish. That's it. Because here you can take the list of employees. List of what data, EMP. EMP is equal to list arrays dot what, arrays dot as list method. First employee object, new EMP. Employee ID is what, 101. Employee is what, 101. Employee name is Ratanama. Employee salary is very less, 10,000 rupees. Ratan sir salary. First employee is ready. First employee is what, ready. Second employee also you can do like this. New employee of, yes, new employee of what, 102. And employee name is what, Anu. And employee salary is what, 20,000.45. Guys, next one is what, new employee, new EMP of, yes, 103. 103. Next one is what, Stravia. And you can write the 30,000.45 comma. Next one is what, new EMP of, come here, new EMP of what, 104. Like that we need to add the employees, so Ratananu, Stravia, Chendu, something like this. So I can add the data like 40,000.56. how many objects we insert, Amma? Four objects. Yes, my requirement is for every person, can you please add the some employee salary? Every person, for every person, add the 1,000 rupees extra. I need to add what, Amma? Every person 1,000 rupees. You got the point, right? Yes. Tell me, guys, how can we add every person 1,000 rupees, Amma? If we need to apply the operational specific element, all the elements, all elements. Sir, no, all the elements, right? Yes. Guys, now tell me, you'll go for the filter, filter better, filter than a map. Filter and map, directly only map. Filter map. You filter the people with the salary greater than 25,000. That people only can you please every person add the 1,000 rupees. After filtering every person. Otherwise, వద్దులేమ్మా. First on first on what? Filter. First on. First, I'll apply all elements, ma. Can please check the code once. What we can do? Tell me. EMPS dot as usual. Which object, ma? EMPS dot stream object. Stream object only. First of all, I can apply the map. Otherwise, for every person, can I add like Ratan dot A. Ratan dot what? A, right? For every person, I want to get all the names first. How can you get a data, ma? Map. Map is expecting, the argument is what, function. Function is a normal interface, a function interface. Function interface contains how many methods, one method. What is the method name? Apply. So here we are writing the implementation of apply method. Arrow. Before arrow is what? EMP. After arrow, EMP dot what? Get name. EMP dot what? Get name. My EMP dot get name plus for every person I need to add A. Ratan A, Anu A, Shrave A, Chandu A. Initial amma. Something like Adanti, something like this. Because after that I want print it. Because while printing the data, name arrow, actually map is doing the operation on what, amma, tell me? It's a very important point. Every every element, but this operation is done on what? Employee name, right? Employee name. It is doing the operational employee name means then after the mapping the data, you will get only name set. We will not get the complete object. You got the point, right? Here employee object contains how many values? Three values. But we are doing the map operational which element name. Because here I'm calling the getter method, right? Otherwise simply can write the emp dot what? E name also, it's not a problem. But writing instead of writing the ename, emp dot what? Get name. Calling the getter name, getter methods are good, right? So get name plus Adanki. Somewhere. Then what you will get? You will get the complete object. You will get only names. Only names. That's what I'm printing only name. Amma. Maybe you're thinking that sir here employee object, but you are not printing employee object. But after we are applying what? Tell me, we are applying the map on which data? Name. Then you will get only names. You will not get the complete object. That's what I'm sysout control space. Sysout control space. I want print what? Name. Or you will get object means no. Just you can run this code. See guys. Ratan Addanki, Anu Addanki, Shravya Addanki, Chindu Addanki. Sir, IDs will not get actually. See, for example, here EMP if you take here EMP dot, you can call the get method, right? But you cannot see the get EID, get ename, get eSalary. You cannot see the getters because after mapping it returns the complete object. It returns only name, only name because you are doing the map operation on only name. So if you are doing the map operation on what, only name. That's what you'll get only name. You'll get only name, right? Exactly. That first one is clear. That's it. Ratan Addanki, Manu Addanki, Shravya Addanki, Chindu Addanki. Clear? Good. Guess next one you please tell me. But next example, I don't want to get only name. I want to get the complete object. The next example we will see. But you got the clarity about this one, right? On the map, we are doing the operation on name only. That's what we are getting output only names. Okay. Because next requirement, you please check the requirement. What the requirement I'm going to do? I need to filter the people. Filter the people greater than 25,000. And how many you will get? Every person, uh, every after filtering every employee salary plus how much amount 1,000 rupees I want to increase. Got the point, right? Then print the employees after data. First we have to apply what filter. After filtering map every employee means. After that you want to print the data. Print the employee data. Only salary employee data na? Employee data. You get the point, right? But previously we got the only name of complete employee data na? Only name. But now you want to not only name, you want complete object. Tell me the code for that first of all. EMPS dot what stream object. Stream dot which method filter exactly. First you need to go for the filter. Filter EMP arrow. EMP dot get salary. EMP dot what get e salary, which is greater than what amount 25,000. That people will be filtered. That people will be filtered. After filtering, we have to apply what map. Map of tell me guys. EMP arrow. EMP dot get salary. EMP dot what? EMP get e salary. E salary plus what? 1,000 rupees. But now if you write the code like this, then what you will get? Only salary you will get. A complete object you will get. Only salary. That's what guys here. What I will do, see, observe carefully. I'll make the data in the braces. I need to return the employee object. First, I need to set the salary, right? Yes or no, yaar? Filtered people salary I want increment. EMP object means every object. If you write the code only this kind, what happened? Only that property going. You want that property a complete employee object. But map is by default returning this property only. That's what here. What I need to do is, what do you want to do? Tell me EMP dot set the salary. You want set the salary. How much salary you want to do? EMP dot get salary plus 1,000 rupees. Your requirement is setting the salary. How much you want to say set the salary? Get the existing salary plus 1,000 rupees. Yes or no? Your requirement is for the people who are greater than 25,000. For that people, we need to set the salary. How much you want set? Get the existing salary plus 1,000 rupees. We need to think like that. We need to don't go for this one first. We are setting the salary. How much? Getting the salary, existing salary plus 1,000 rupees. Now I need to return only this person. You need to return the complete employee object. Then put the semicolon. Return EMP object. Return what EMP object. You got the point, right? Return which object EMP object, right? That's it. Previously, if you write the emp dot get name plus addanki means only these names you will get. But now what I'm doing emp dot set salary. How much you want set the salary? Get the salary plus 1,000 rupees. Now, if you don't use return statement of emp, then what happen here? Only this salary will be returned. But you want return the salary a complete object. Object. That's what you can do code like this. Return emp. Yes or no, yaar? Dot which method for each. Dot what? For each. The for each is coming, not coming. Dot. You want print what? For each. For each is not coming. Why? Braces, just check the braces once. Here we not put the semicolon. EMP dot EMP dot set salary. How much you want set the salary? Get salary plus 1,000 rupees. Return EMP. Fine. Return EMP. Semicolon is okay. No. Here we need to call the get. What you can do, for each method we have to call. But why for each method is not coming? Thinking like brace. Here the brace is extra like this one required. Yes or no, yaar? This is the brace from lambda expression syntax, na? But this is only brace required, not required, required. Now you can call the for each method. Previously for each is coming and not coming. Not coming means think that above error is there. If it is not coming means what? Above we have the error. If it is not coming means above we have what? Error, right? That's information. That's the reason. That's what gets dot for each method. For each method of now you will get only salary. It returning employee object. Exactly. EMP arrow. Sys out control space. Print EMPM. When you print EMP, then what happened? Two string execute. When you print the reference variable, it automatically calls what? Two string. The two string will return the complete information. Employee ID, employee name, employee salary. But previously you're getting complete object of only names are names. Because map method by default return the data that you perform the operation. But now you perform the operation, then you returning which object? Employee object completely written, right? That is the data, guys. Simply run this code, see the output once. You're getting output or not? Guys, getting output or not? Just you can make some stars here. The above code, this code, just you can run this code. See the output, so 1,000 rupees increased or not increased, increased. 31,000, 41,000. You're getting complete object or not? But first case getting complete object of only map data. Only map data. Only what type of data? Map data. That is the people. You got the point, right? Yes. That is applying the which operation, map operation on the only two flavors. One flavor is particular particular property, you will get the values. Second flavor, you want written the complete object format means written the EMP. We need to written the complete object. You got the point? Yes. Any questions? Tell me guys, any questions? You want to collect the data. Here we are printing the data, right? Then please collect the data. Collect the data means what you need to do. EMPS dot. Because I'll write the code, you please check what is output for that code. Stream get JSON. No? Then we need to go for the filter get JSON. No? Filter means employee's salary is greater than less than 15,000, 25,000. After that, dot dot what I can do? Map method EMP of arrow. I need to set the names. You know, EMP dot set name. I'm setting the name. What the set name tell me? EMP dot get get name plus what? ADD and tag. I'm setting the name. I'm setting the name. What name? Existing name plus addanki semicolon. This is the first statement. Second statement is what? Return EMP. Return what? EMP. Second statement. Then close the brace. Okay. Curly brace is red. Yes. Here we need to put the semicolon. Curly brace close. Dot. Which method we have to use? Collect. Collect is coming or not coming? Not coming means something is goes wrong. What the point? EMP dot set name. I'm setting the name here. What the name I'm setting? Get name plus addanki semicolon. After this one is a one statement, right? Yes, exactly. This is set name, right? Return EMP. Dot. Which method we have to go from? Collect. Collect which format? Collectors dot to which format? List format. Then left hand side you will get the data is what? List of EMP. List EMPs. You got the clarity, right? Then if you print the sysout control space of No, that is a list format, right? List emps dot which method we have to use for each method. Here what I'm doing, I'm collecting and printing. Previously what I'm doing, just printing. That clarity should have. One is what directly printing for each. One is what collect. After collecting, whatever you want you can do. Here I'm collecting which format, list employees. Then I'm printing here. EMP arrow, sysout control space, EMP, right? Bus. In this case, what happened? Then tell me. Tell me, this case, what happened? Uh, you will get the data is like update format, right? Ratan Addanki and what? Anu Addanki. You getting complete update or not? Yes. So you got the clarity that you didn't return the employee object means by default returns only specific property. If you didn't return the tell me, if you didn't return the object means then what happened? It returns by default a specific property. But you want specific property, all the properties are all the properties means all the properties only. Right? That's it. You simply can run this code. If you run this code, see the output. You can want just you can make some stars here also. Just you can make some stars, right? Bas. I simply can run this code. Now see the output. Rather nothing coming or not. I'm collecting right after see on every object I'm doing the operation. I'm collecting which format? List format. It means my list format output contains which format? What data ma? Ratanadanki and Anuadanki or not? Yes. You got the data right. That is the operation we can do in what? Map with the objects. You got the point, huh? So filter with the integer data, string data. Filter with the EMP data. Map with the integer comma string data. Map with the object data. Clear? Huh? That is information. Clear, right? Now you can check this code very clearly. My code is very important. See what the code we are doing, what the requirement you are doing. So by default this method map method, by default map method return the complete object a specific property or specific property only it is returned what the property are doing the modifications, and what property are doing modification it returns that property only. You got the point, right? And what property are doing modification, that property only. Got the point? Any questions? Hmm? This is on the property means specific property you will get data like this. You need a complete object means we need to set the data. First you are thinking that set the data, that's it. What do you want to update? Set the data first. Set the data. Set salary. How much salary? Get the salary plus 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. Then return which object? That object you have to return. Complete object will be returned. If you didn't return the complete object means only salary property will be returned. Only salary property will be returned. You got the point, huh? That's it. Hmm? So check this example. Maybe next to class we'll go for the next operation, right? So thank you guys. Like the video, comment the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. But comment the video, write some comments. Huh? Bye.